Happy New Year, guys! Welcome to the year 2023. And again, on this channel, we started this year on a good note. On the 1st of January, which was yesterday, we clocked 4,000 subscribers. Like, I'm so excited. In fact, I don't know the word to use again apart from excited. Let me know down there in the comment section, because at this point my head is even blank. Like, I'm so glad, I'm so happy, and thanks to you guys. Thanks for finding my channel worthy to subscribe to. Thanks for 2022. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the community you are creating over here. Thanks for the family. And of course, if you are just coming across this channel, what are you waiting for? Just join us by clicking that subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on post notification, because that will notify you whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Okay, so my name is Theresa and I'm glad to meet you all. So this year is a brand new year that we've not seen before, but we are hopeful. Like, we are hoping for the best, like the best. So I just hope that by the end of this year, we'll be celebrating 10,000 subscribers. I know it's not it's much, but for you guys, it's not much. We can do it, okay? We can do it. So, as you can see from the title of this video, today I'll be sharing with you guys my income for the year 2022 on YouTube. Even though I've been contemplating if I should do this video or if I should not do this video. You know, most people don't like when they talk about their earnings, but I just feel like it's nothing, because it can still serve as a motivation for somebody. So this video is for small content creators like myself, or if you are just starting out on YouTube and you don't know what to expect, this video is for you. Or if you are just curious, you just want to, like, okay, I don't know how much creators make on YouTube, I want to have an idea, maybe that will even give you the push to start. But note this, there's this misconception people have about content creators, most especially YouTube content creators. Whenever they see you put out a video on YouTube, they believe you started earning from that first video. No. It takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of consistency for you to get paid on YouTube. So not like the first video you put out, instantly you start getting money. I wish it's that easy. Because for me, I started YouTube 2020, that was during the lockdown, and I got monetized last year, April 6th. That is, it took me 2 years to get monetized on YouTube. So from that April down to December, I'll be sharing with you guys my earnings, how much I've earned on YouTube so far. So before we continue, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you comment down there in the comment section. Even if you don't have anything to say, just wish me happy new year, okay? And please share this video. You don't know who this video might touch or who this video might help, so share this video. So like I said, before we dive right into everything, like I said initially, that you won't get paid the moment you start posting on YouTube, okay? You won't get paid the moment you start putting out videos. You won't get paid for your first video, okay? You need a total of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that 4,000 watch hours should be within the space of 12 months. Alright, so if after 12 months you are unable to acquire that 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start deducting that watch hours gradually. Like, for example, if a particular video gets to 1 year, that watch hour will disappear. So I know what I'm saying, because it happened to me. Like I said, it took me 2 years for me to get monetized on YouTube, so I know what I'm talking about. So as a content creator on YouTube, you need a Google AdSense account. That is where your money, your earnings will be. That is where you'll be able to link your account number and everything. And if you're a Nigerian content creator, if you are yet to get monetized, just make sure you create a Google AdSense account. Then again, make sure you create a domiciliary account, because you wouldn't want YouTube to pay your money to a NAIRA account. You know what that means. So just make sure you have a domiciliary account. Also, make sure you have a means of identification, either international passport, driver's license, voter's card, national ID card, like one of those four. Just make sure you have them. I know it's difficult to get PVC, that is permanent voter's card, and national ID card and driver's license. So if you are still growing your channel before you get monetized, just make sure that you try to get your international passport, because I know what I'm saying. Okay, just try to get your international passport. Then another thing you should take note of when you want to apply for monetization, after what I've mentioned earlier, make sure your channel does not have the community guidelines strike. Okay, make sure your channel does not have it. And in case you don't know, once you have strikes 3 times, just say bye bye to your channel. Okay, say bye bye to your channel. So basically, when you get monetized, ads will start running on your channel, and that is how you make money, how long people watch your ads. So if you are watching this and you always press that skip ads whenever you are watching my video, please should I need down, please don't skip ads when watching my video. Okay, please don't skip ads when watching my videos. With all that being said, I have to mention all that because some people don't even know the requirements to get monetized on YouTube. So just in case you don't know the requirements, like I mentioned earlier, I've mentioned everything, but the most important thing is your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so that brings us to the major part of this video, which is how much I earned in the year 2022 as a small content creator living in Nigeria. Okay, so like I said earlier on, that I got monetized in April 6th. So I'll leave a screenshot of all what I'm about to mention on the screen. So in April I earned $15.56. Okay, and again, let me tell you that if you are just getting monetized, or if you are about to get monetized, or you are yet to get monetized, just know that before Google AdSense will pay you, you need a threshold of $100. So if your earnings does not accumulate to $100 at the end of the month, you need to carry it over to the next month. And if it's someone like me that took me months to get $100, you'll be there till you get $100. So if you would like to see a video of how much my first paycheck, how much I got on YouTube, let me know down there in the comment section. So I have to write it down because I'm using my phone to film. So like I said, in April I got $15.56. Then in May I got $35.04, and I think so far that is the month I've earned like the highest income on YouTube. Okay, so in June I earned $5.01, and this is what happened in June 12th to be precise. Ads stopped running on my channel because I was unable to verify my Google AdSense account, which is what I mentioned earlier with means of identification. I applied for international passport and I was unable to get it on time, so ads stopped running on my channel from June to July. So in July I did not earn anything because ad was not running on my channel again. Okay, so in August, like later in August, I was able to get the international passport and I verified my Google AdSense account. So that was mid-August. So in August I earned $8.23. Then in September I earned $11.92. Then in October I earned $12.47. Then in November I earned $12.17. Then in December I earned $11.08. Although I didn't write the total, but when I saw it on my YouTube studio, I think everything amounts to $100 and $111 and some cents. So far, that was the amount I made on YouTube in the year 2022. But for me, I would say 2022 because year 2022 is just few months in the year, but this year we hope for the best. We hope for the best. And let me use this opportunity to say that there will be a kind of switch up on this channel, because in case you don't know, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, I'm based in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. And at this point, or let me say initially, I show people around Ilorin and its environs. So at this point, I don't know if I should said I've run out of ideas, but like I just said in my videos, if there is a particular or any type of video you like to see, just make sure it's something I can do or it's a place I can visit. Let me know down there in the comment section. Let me know down there in the comment section. So, but not to worry, I'll be creating relatable content. It might just be sit down videos, but trust me, they are relatable content. So if you've watched to this part, thank you so much. And if you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on post notification, because that will notify you whenever I drop a new content on this channel. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye bye.